because cars and everything that goes in it, outside of it, is something that affects the masses, huge numbers. So the responsibility and the level at which a designer gets to work is very crucial. So that kind of responsibility in design, that kind of seriousness towards it, that kind of brings you to a very mature level.
Having already established an emerging market and buyer profile, each of the 6 teams are now focusing on the exterior design of their concept vehicles for the year 2020, drawing inspiration from different aspects of the market's culture.
The design so far is pretty developed. We chose the direction early on. What we chose to do was to focus the design in on sort of an iconic look rather than going for the traditional like speed lines, if you will. The hatchback has a hinging mechanism that slides, so you can lift it up and fold it down, and that creates another row of seats, so you can have 6 occupants. That just basically, I'd say, increases the capacity of the vehicle by at least a third.
I looked at a lot of different things for inspiration, and I kind of started looking at the turtle, and it's kind of interesting because coincidentally the turtle has a lot of positive meanings, and also in Chinese culture. The turtle represents strength, security, endurance. The turtle is obviously something that's going to last a very long time, live a very long time, probably outlive you. So I think for Chevrolet, that's a very strong theme, that this vehicle is something that is always going to be around no matter what. It's always there. Very durable, safe, and secure product. Around here you can see that turtle theme start to develop, and I was trying to also give a theme of strength and security because it is going to be a relatively compact car.
What's most unique about my exterior of my vehicle is that the back of it, the back hatch comes out and extends the volume of the inside of the car. People in Russia need more space because they carry a lot of things with them, if they own their own business or if they're carrying a cello or whatnot. It needs to accommodate their needs.
A lot of my aesthetic is kind of based around this crossover / utility van theme. The vehicle is used for work primarily, but also for family use on the weekends. And so with the exterior, I'm trying to sort of show the hybrid of your utility van, which tend to be not as emotional, and then sort of an off-road crossover theme.
My inspiration is from the Chinese orchid, and the exterior is a little organic, but I also want to make it dynamic. That you can see the curve is very tension. The roof is all glasses. I want to make the car let more the sun light come into the car and let the Chinese family can feel the nature and enjoy the front.
Now, it's more about the details. My metaphor of using like the visor and the motorcycle helmet as the body is really set and defined. It's almost too well defined. Now I need to make it look more like a car. I want it to feel really aggressive. I want this to actually be a little bit scary looking, because in a way I think that evokes the same feeling of a motorcycle. Like a really high-end motorcycle has sort of this beauty, and then it also has this like death. It's kind of like a black widow spider. It can kill you in an instant, or but it's really cool to look at, and I want to capture that feeling.
Check back for the next video as the vehicles move from the drawing board and into the sculptor's hands.